Welcome to our MiLA Structure 2024 Spid Run. Today, we're using the Sky Capital Tower project to test analysis speed and generate outputs. Above, you'll find the project information. To ensure transparency, let's delve into the system details of the computer employed for this test. Witness firsthand the power at our disposal as we dive into the analysis. Behold, the total time taken for the analysis, a mere 11 minutes and 56 seconds. Outputs ready, 3D analytical model view, reports, detailing, all set for printing. With gratitude for your time, we thank you and look forward to seeing you in our future videos.